Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light bulb on your Corolla IM or Scion IM. The only tool we will need here is a flathead and the replacement bulb of your choice. Before we take off the lens, let's take a look how to take off the lens. So on this switch side, there will be two cutouts here that you can use to your little flathead to wedge yourself in there and pry the lens off. You see how this side is completely smooth, so there's only one side you can work with. And once you have that off, you will have your old bulb in there of this shape with 2 points, which will rest inside this hole here and this hole here on this squeezable tab. And how you drop the bulb is just squeeze this tab right here, which will make it wider than the bulb, and it should just drop out. And to reinstall that bulb, I would put one point of the bulb in first and then squeeze and slide the other side back into place. And then to put the lens back in, I would put the smooth side in first this way, since these will rest in the holes up here, and then you can just snap the switch side into place. Before we get started, I want you to keep in mind that you will want to quickly get into the car and turn off the light. This will help keep it from heating up and burning your hand. Now getting started, you will want to find those notches on the switch side and pry the lens up on each side to remove it. Once you have the bulb exposed, just make sure that it isn't too hot to work with. If it isn't, squeeze the tab over to get the bulb to drop out. When you get that accomplished, go ahead and take your new bulb and slot it into the hole opposite of the squeeze tab. Then slide it up on the other side into place. If you're working with a halogen bulb, it may be best to use gloves so you don't create any hot spots with your hand oils. Now that it's in, test it just to make sure everything is functioning as it should. Then you can slot your lens back on with the opposite side of the cutout first, then snap the side with the switch in place. Well, that's all there is to it. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.